For you to earn $300 or to $500 on Earnably website, you have to maximize the timings. You have to make sure that you're focused and have to make sure that you know what you want. You schedule yourself and you come for it. So how much do you expect really to earn on this website of Earnably? First and foremost, you have to know that the earnings or the rewards that you're going to get, it depends on how much active on this platform. On average, the users spend a couple of hours a day. You can earn anywhere from 50 to 200 per day. And also, if you want to maximize the earnings, focus on high-paying tasks like surveys and special offers. You know, there are some things like videos, paying videos. They always come with little sums of money. However much, they are easy for you to make them. I love them, and that is my specialty. The more time and efforts you put into completing tasks and making surveys, the more money you can earn. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine once again, your lady. I know you're doing very well. Today we are going to be looking at how to earn money with your phone, how to earn money with your laptop, and how to earn money with that data that you have. You know, as a market show, our main objective is to make sure that we can make a living, we can be productive with or without a job. There's no need for you to hold a phone, of a Pro Max phone, or a very smart, high expensive phone without data or without food. But guess what? Some of us holding those phones don't have even, our account balance is always zero. So today we're really grateful that you're back in our space. You're allowing us to be on your screen, but we would love you to really concentrate on whatever we give you. Whatever we give you is very legit on this platform. I know there are some people who will start it and they say, I don't want 0.05, but this is a sure deal. And I really tell you, if you want to earn money online, don't expect those huge sums of money. If you find any task or any survey is promising to give you a lot of dollars, run away. Know that that is not legit. I'm bringing for you this platform. The platform is called Earnably today, and Earnably is rated highly. It is a place where you're going to do a lot of tasks and you earn very good money. As to how you're going to concentrate on it, in this video we're going to be looking at this platform that we are watching. What is it all about? Then the next thing is, how do you access this platform? The third one, how do you earn money? And the fourth is, how would you withdraw your earnings? This one, you need to know that your earnings are all in points, so they are turned from points to dollars. But behold, there are various things why I brought for you this platform before we dive in. One of the things that I love it has different ways of earning money. So you cannot be fixed and say that I only earn from one thing. No, you can earn money by watching videos, as you can see, we will be seeing in details. We can earn money by doing tasks like doing surveys, and you can also earn money by inviting people, that is by referral. That is very beautiful. You, the last but not least on earning, you expect to earn money from redeeming your points. So here we are, you guys. Let's run and talk about how really, what exactly is this Earnably website? How do you get it and how do you access this? For this website, it is called Earnably. It's an online or reward site where you can earn money by completing various tasks like watching videos, I told you, taking surveys, and participating in offers. It's free of charge. You can join from wherever you are and in whichever country you are. There is no discrimination whether you're from here or you're from there, and also it does not discriminate as far as age is concerned. All age levels can access this this platform. And also be ready that whenever you're going to start uploading or downloading this app, you should be ready with your PayPal, or you can also continue and redeem your cash from cash gifts, or they are normally called gift cards. So here we are. Also, let's now dive in and see how to access this Earnably website. I want you to go to your favorite browser. When you go to your favorite browser, you're going to put the word Earnably. Earnably is EARNABLY. Accessing Earnably is straightforward. It is not hard. It has no strings attached. What you do, you go to your browser, put www.earnably.com. Once you're on the homepage, you can sign up using your email, or you can sign up using your Facebook or Twitter. For you to have a very soft and quick way to sign up, you can sign up with any of them, either your email, or you can go right ahead and sign up with your Facebook. After signing up, you have an instant access to this platform. There's no any other, and you are going to start now to access a variety of ways for you to earn very many points and turn into them money, which can be converted into money or into rewards. Most of the people are always on the thing of earning, but before we go to the earning, let me take you and I show you exactly how this platform looks like. How exactly, or do you expect, if you open Earnably.com or Earnably on your browser. The moment you open Earnably on your browser by using your Facebook or your Google account, you're going to access very many things. Like the first interface looks like this, whereby you'll find you have zero. If you just joined, you have 0 points. Then the second thing you're going to see when you open it from your PC, you're going to see offers, then explore, surveys, videos, invite, and redeem. This is the first interface that you expect to see. And they tell you that redeem points for free, cash and gift cards. And also redeeming these points, they are instant. They will not take long time if you get your money out of it. Offers include different offers. I'm going to take you step by step. You people know that these videos recently, we have made them to favor you, for them at least to know what you're supposed to do, because when we tend to make it short, some people will ask a lot of questions, and it is hard for us to answer all of you. This one, you can do it on your web, you can do it on your Android and on your iOS. So when you're on your computer, it will look like this, like the way it is on my screen. This is where you get offers. These offers are in points. You can see they come from 5631. That is the one of the game, is that one. Then you can go and check which offer do you want to take, or which offer do you want to start on. This is how the page for offer looks like, the interface for the offer. When you go to the surveys, which is the second method of earning, the surveys, if you click there, you're going to find that you have different kinds of surveys, and these surveys also pay in points. So for you, you have to know that the surveys come from different partners, since it's a lot of partners that bring up here their products, their services, to get feedback such that they can know where they stand, where to improve, and whom to supply, or also to ascertain which kind of people do consume or take their services and products. You'll find out that the surveys range from 5 minutes to even 30 minutes. But the more the minutes, the more the money, or the more the amount of points. And the more the amount of points, you can see, like from here, there is 4,350 points. This one takes 3 minutes. That means it is a lot higher than the one which is for 5 minutes. But now, before we go very far, this platform is being supported by partners who are giving this surface from different companies. You will see, like, they have like B Clubs, and they have Polish Fish. Then they also have CPX Research, where there are a lot of your favorite research institutes or research shops that you're going to find here. So be ready and embrace yourself to determine the amount of money that you want to earn. Whether you want to earn $500, you want to earn $200 or $50, it all will depend on you. So when we go here on, for example, I open this one of BitLabs. When you go to open your surveys, you expect different kinds of things. They are going to be giving you a survey that will start from knowing you, from agreeing. Like, this one is talking about by agreeing this, it means you are agreeing to their privacy policies. You continue. I'm going to be showing you a very short way of doing it. When you reach here, the second one, they ask you whether you want to do it in Arabic or in English. So I continue and press English. Then you continue. They ask you about your age, and they ask you about your age, whether your gender, you're a female or a male. These ones, they ask you this to ascertain which kind of surveys can they give you. Otherwise, they might give you a wrong survey that you might not do. So when you follow the prompts, you're going to find they'll even ask you about the age, your age, such that they can know is the survey they are giving you in your age bracket or not. So I always advise people to be truthful and okay, such that you can get a right survey. So you follow the prompts until you finish the survey. Please be advised that the survey sometimes they take 5 to 14 minutes, and with this even more than that. So you need to start a survey when you know you have a minute or you have time. Then another one, a way of earning is videos. Videos are different here. This is my best way of earning money. I always love this in on all platforms. However, as I told you, with watching videos, it always gives very little money. But however it's giving you little money, it is a bit favorable. Everybody, it's enjoyable. Most people go for it, and you just open the videos, they run, and you get your points. You can see here the points, they are as low as 80 points. So the highest here is 750 points compared to the surveys and compared to the explorers. Then when we go to another way of earning, we have invite. Invite here, they give you, you're going to get your access, when you register, you get access to your referral link. So the more people you refer, the more money you get. They tell you refer and earn. Share your unique referral link with your friends to earn 10% of their earning for life. Plus, you will get 30,000 points whenever someone you refer earns their first 30,000 points. So here I always explain for you, people don't think so bad and feel, someone is going, I'm going to refer to follow her or him, then they take my earnings. No, they don't mean that they will cut from their earnings and give you, but they pay you worth 10% of what that person will be withdrawing. Let's go, we continue. Then when you go to redeeming your coins, redeeming your points, it's a bit very beautiful, because you can redeem your points for free cash and digital gift cards. So when you reach here to redeem, for you to get your coins, for you to get your money after that, you're going to go and redeem your money. It is majorly the recommended one, it is PayPal. But PayPal, if you know in your country or where you are you don't have PayPal, you can go to the comment section and put that you don't have PayPal access PayPal. I'll tell you how you can do it with VPN and you access it. You link your PayPal account or email on this chat, on this website, such that your money, the moment you get it, immediately it will go to your account, to go to your pay account. If you see here, you can see how people have redeemed. For $1, you need to have 10,000 points. For $2 now, you know how it can be. For $2, you have to have 20 points. Then for $10, you have to have 1,000 points. So as you go, the higher you go, the points, the more money you get. So for 1 million points, that one gives you 1,000 US dollars. How long will you take to get 1 million points? It is as easy as you being focused and knowing exactly what you want. So guys, this is how easily you can earn money with Earnably website. Now, if we go to recap, we go to know exactly how to do with this. I would love to really give you the, should I call them the best practices, how you can maximize this platform and you get money. One of the best practices for you is to stay active. Log in daily on this website and check new tasks, then surveys and offers. Preferably, the more active buyer you are, the more opportunities you have to earn. Then you complete high paying offers. As I have shown you, there are some offers that are low paid as in points, and there are some offers that are high paid. So if I'm you, I prioritize the ones which are highly paid for me to get to 500 and above points. Then another best practice, you need to refer people. If I got a trick in referrals. Referrals are very good. It's easily for you to get money out of referrals. You add up and you find it getting some good bags. Refer to your friends. Just put the link on your social media platforms, on your statuses. They will join you. You make them trust you. So the another one, for you to have a best practice and move forward, you have to watch videos in your free time. Apart from doing the other surveys and offers, please add watching videos in your free time. Just put it there. You just click on it and let it run. With watching videos, I told you, it's really typically it pays less, but for it, it's easy for you to earn some extra points to top up on your surveys points. Then the last but not least, I want you to be consistent. Most of you are going to come to the DM, are going to go to the first to write how much have you earned or have you earned. You people, I always tell you, for you, if you be consistent in everything, and even as I post now, you can see we post every day, that means we are consistent. The more you're consistent, the more money you'll get. So even if you only have a few minutes each day, those small efforts can add up over time, leading it to a nice monthly payout. When others are being paid out $300, you'll be paid out $500, 500 and above. So you guys, oh, this Earnably is so beautiful, and it is a great way to earn some extra cash online for free. With flexible options, as you've seen, it is not only one. That just look for one that fits your schedule, whether you're saving up for something, or you want some extra or special thing, or extra money for spending, or you want even money to cater for your bills. You guys, if you know this video has been helpful, just go to the comment section and give us some good comment. You can also help us to and rate us and tell us exactly what you want to hear, or where we can go right, or where we went wrong. Don't forget, watch it till the end and forward it to your friends. Referral is the power to go. Thank you very much, guys. Blessed new month. Happy new week. See you in another video. Happy earning.